how to make beats with this PSR. First of all, you have to start with the drum. You click on your drum. I just want to show us how to make quick beats. Okay, now let me play something. Click on my record button. Okay, that's the drum. So, in order to add another beat to this drum, that's where the stress is. That's the essence of this tutorial. So, if I want to add, let me say keyboard, I'll click on E piano. Let me click on grand piano. Yeah, for my sustain. Now, if I play it, you see that the drum is playing on channel 1, and you want to add to channel 2, you just press your channel 2 and your record button simultaneously. Okay, when you press it, this menu will pop up, and if you observe, this is your right one, this is where the MIDI ground is, and this is your right one here. You use this thing to regulate it, so you click on enter. Now if you start playing, you notice the drum will go along with the drum. Just something like that. Now click on stop. Now click on play. You can hear both of them playing simultaneously together. Okay, so that's that. You can also add your bass. Now let me add a guitar to it. Let me take folk guitar. Now we have on channel 1, we have on channel 2, so we can add another one to channel 3, which is the folk guitar. The same process. You touch your record button, this button, and this channel 3 button right here. Click it simultaneously. Now don't go and click enter, because it's showing right 2. You have to take it to right 1 first, then click on enter. Now let's go. Just like that. Now click on stop. I'm just using a short beat for this tutorial. You can create as long as you want. So let me play it. You can see both the drum, the keyboard and the guitar, they are both playing. So you can see that 3 of them are playing. We have the drum on channel 1, the piano on channel 2, and the guitar on channel 3. So when you are done, just click on save. You have to click on this A button. Click on this second tab to bring it to your user. Now click on save, new song. You can choose anything you want. You can write it with all these alphabets. So let me just use A and B. So I use AB. So click on save, and it's already saved. The song has been saved in user as AB. So when I click on play, you can hear it. That's that for how to make a beat. You see this 16 channel, you can create up to 16 different sounds. You can use 16 different voices. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.